Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what is up? My name is Dia. Nice of you to join us for today's video. So yesterday I attempted to do a makeup tutorial slash review and I did not like how it turned out. The makeup wasn't bad in the end, but there were just certain petty things that did not mesh well together, so it ended up looking kind of like a mess. So this is more or less a do-over. I still plan to upload that particular video though, because I don't know, I was talking a lot and I think it's kind of funny, so I might still upload it, but you know. That being said though, earlier this month I got some stuff from Made by Mitchell. I ended up getting 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 curved case in the shade Deep. So this is the curved case actually, and this is what it looks like in the inside. It's very pretty. Oh, I didn't realize that they had like names at the back. That's very pretty. Okay, oh, the plan was actually to get just one, and I didn't realize that it was like a duo situation, but it was on sale and everything was around like $30, so I thought I was paying for one, but I was actually paying for 2, which if you buy makeup, if you're into makeup, you know how expensive eyeshadow palettes are. But in any case, these are the eyeshadow palettes. This is the Be Bright and the Be Bright Matte. This is actually what I wanted because this one has like shimmers in it. Let me show you guys. Oh, fudge. This is actually the one I wanted, the one with the shimmers. I'm just hoping that the camera is picking up on, you know, everything. The shades are so beautiful, right? But this is the one that also came alongside, because it's like the matte and the shimmery version. This is the only matte version, and honestly they're all pretty, and I've actually tried them because yesterday again I tried to do like a review. It did not end well, but these are very pigmented. The shimmery shades are also really nice. They're like they're not wet, but they're not dry. They're like very soft in the middle, and they're nice. So today I'm going to attempt to use these again in creating a makeup look, and I hope that this time it goes a lot better than the last time. I think the last time the problem was probably like a little bit the eyeshadow, the eyelash, but whatever. Let's get right into it. If you want to know what my thoughts are on these, no, you know what, I kind of already spoke about my thoughts on them. I think they're definitely worth your money, newsflash. But if you want to know what look we would be creating by the end of this video, please stick around because it should be fun, I hope. So I'm almost done with my brows. I got this Kosas airbrow thing from Sephora. It was like a birthday gift, and honestly the few times I've used this on my brows, they just stayed and they did not move. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I'm going to apply a little bit on my brows and just leave that there. Okay, I feel like it's given brushed. So I'm gonna use my Revolution Conceal and Define foundation to set to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. I actually like this foundation a lot. It kind of just, it blends out very easily and it dries down, almost setting itself in the process. I think I need a little bit more. Alright, and I'm going to set my eyes using my Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder. This is what it looks like, and this is in the shade 56 Mahogany. Just gonna pat that down because I want my eyeshadow to be soft and smooth. Okay, so in order to avoid this video from being like overly long, I'm going to figure out what eyeshadow I want to do off camera. I'll probably do like one eye, and then I'll be back for us to do like the other one on camera. See you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so I'm back, and this is basically the eyeshadow look I decided to go in with. It's very simple, I know, but you should have seen what I did last night. It was way too dramatic, and I wanted to do something that is opposite that. But I have to say though, I did not quite notice this last night, but I'm a little disappointed with the shimmer shades in here. They're not very shimmery and they're almost ashy. I'm a little disappointed. I think I might go in and deepen that crease later on, but let's do this eye together. So the first shade that I went in with is this brown. It's called Preppy Pecan, right on top there. And I went in with this in my crease, and honestly, maybe it's because I set my eye before I started doing the eyeshadow. This is not showing up as pigmented as I would have wanted it to be. I don't know, a little disappointed. I have this Morphe palette, and you should see how pigmented that brown is, like that the browns in there are. But maybe next time I'll just have to use this one without setting my eyelid first. But I do like that brown. I like how it is just very easily diffusing. So the next color that I went in with is called Threat. It's kind of like this ashy black right there. And I actually took that on a different brush. What brush was that? I don't remember. But disons que ceci, right? I took a little bit of that, and then I placed that right in the center of my crease. Just putting that right there. I'm gonna have to put a little bit on the other side too, because I feel like I lost that black during the blending. But if you're looking for like a very simple eye look to do, this is definitely something you can test your hands on, because it's honestly very easy, very easy to do. And I'm gonna just focus that black right there, and I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used to take that brown. I'm gonna go back in the brown, and I'm just going to go back and forth, just blending. So it's like, I've forgotten that this one comes with a mirror. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend. And then I went in with this yellow shade. It's called Rise and Shine. And honestly, I use my finger for this actually, but I'm disappointed. I was expecting these to be a lot more, like for them to pack a lot more punch, you know. They're pretty soft, they don't feel too drying, but they look sort of ashy. Maybe it's just me though, but I think I was expecting a bit more. I think maybe if I just pack that on, that wouldn't look too bad. I'm gonna pack a bit more on top here. And for my ends here, I decided to use like a little bit orange, and I went in with the one that is called Orange Soda. Just gonna put a little bit of, oh my, okay, maybe if I dig in, really dig in, it would. I'm disappointed. All right, I'm gonna try and like blend these together, because it's looking, just gonna blend, especially from the top, so it just smoothing out that harsh looking area. But again, I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed. I think the blue and the purple and the whatnots, those were like really pigmented, and you see what I mean from the video that I upload from last night, that it was horrendous. But I think I'll just go ahead and upload that. Still more, yeah, I think this is okay. Wait, hold on, they have to look equal ish. All right, this is okay, wait, hold on, last one. Okay, this is okay. All right, so I am back. I did my eyeliner and I put on mascara as well. I used the Essence Lash Princess to put on my mascara. I think it's pretty. I was thinking of doing like eyelashes, but yesterday, I don't know, the eyelashes, I felt like it just made everything look a lot, and it looks sort of messy. So I'm gonna skip that today, because I want to keep everything simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my face. For my primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip primer, and with this I actually use my hands to put that in. I'm just going to do that. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation. For this one, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer, and I find that this is a very good match for me, I guess depending on how much I use on my face, let's try not to use too much, so it's like, you know, because I want this to like diffuse. Maybe I could have used my hands for this one, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use a little bit more, just small, because it's supposed to be a hydrator, right? Just gonna concentrate that around here. I think I should use my hands just to kind of like set. So to highlight my face, I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to take a little bit on my hands, just like that, and I'm going to apply that in my highlight areas, just right under my eye, right under there, under here as well. On top of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and right under here. I'm using as little as possible because I don't want it to be too much under there. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. And now I think we have finally gotten to the point where we get to use the curved case. So, you know, ta-da! I need to find, like, hold on. All right, I'm gonna use this brush because I'm gonna use this to like contour. I actually used this one last night for the contouring. I wonder if the black one, let me use a slightly darker one, see how that will look. Oh boy, I think that's slightly too dark. Okay, let's run away. I'm gonna use the one I used last night. Just gonna take a bit of that. I'm gonna lay that right here. I hope I'm not using too much. One thing I've noticed about this, however, is that it blends out so easily. Like, it just blends into the skin very easily. Yeah, I'm gonna carve down right here because I'm trying to hide my double chin that just decided to show up because I cannot for some reason stop gaining weight. I don't know why I kind of whispered that part. But yeah, we're gonna try and contour that area, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna bring that right down here. Hopefully that's like, all right. So I think one thing we could do too is to put on blush. I'm gonna go in with this one, this orange one, and then I'm gonna kind of put like the pink one after that one. I've seen people do, what they call that, the, oh, I barely see anything. I barely see, I guess it's there. You know what, let's just go in with the very orangey orange. Yep, just gonna put that right on top here. I feel like my placement is a little off, but you know. Yep, my placement is off. I'm gonna put a little on my nose. In any case, let's get to blending. Let's get to blending. It's looking very shiny, which I guess could be like a pro and a con, depending on what kind of products you prefer to go in with. I think I'm gonna close this one and put it aside for now because I don't think that I'll be needing it anytime soon. Wait, hold on. All right, let me use this one. I'm gonna use this to blend out my nose contour. This is the one I used to apply the concealer under my eyes. So to set my face, I am gonna use my Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee Caramel, and this is honestly one of the best powders I've used like ever, especially when it comes to like setting my makeup. So to set my face, this is what I do. I take some of that powder and then I dust some off on my hands, exactly like that, and then I just press that under my eye, and I find that this makes a lot of difference. Like, My face is already looking snatched. Alright, we're just gonna put that in all the areas that I would usually highlight. I'm not gonna go in with more powder because I feel like it will make that too sort of cakey. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use that powder from Sephora, and I'm gonna use that to set the rest of my face, just a little bit, just lightly pat around my face to, you know, hide the shine a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with this blush of mine just to kind of set my blush as well, and to kind of bring back that color. Okay, I think this much is okay. This much is okay. I hope I didn't spoil it though, because I feel like that's taken away from the orange that I went in from before. Wow. Okay. I was thinking maybe I should set my contour, but I've decided I wouldn't be doing that. In any case, to spray my face, to set my face, I'm going in with this Sheglam setting spray. I really like it. It feels like almost nothing on my face is so misty. I like it, and I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. Okay, you guys, this is a finished look. I went inside my eyes with like a black eyeliner, and I did my lips using the NYX Rebel Kind lip liner, and I also used my elf lip oil in the shade Honey Talks. I love this lip oil. But yeah, that's basically what I did for the rest of my face. So now I'm just gonna give like my closing remarks about, you know, the stuff that I bought from Made by Mitchell, how I feel about the eyeshadow, the curved case, and then we can, you know, wrap up this video very quickly because I got stuff to do, you know. All right, let's first talk about the eyeshadows. I love the eyeshadows. I think I do. Like I said, I did try reviewing these from last night, and I did like a different look, and I think that for the most part, I haven't used all of the eyeshadows yet, but I did dip my hands into like the blue and the purples, and I feel like those matte shades, they like really show up. But I was a little disappointed with the brown that I used today. I think the black, well, I guess, yeah, but I was a little disappointed with the brown that I used. And I do find that the shimmery shades in here, they are not as shimmery as I would like them to be. So they're not soft. Well, they are soft is what I'm trying to say. They're soft, but they're not moist, and they're not like, I don't want to use the word hard, but I was expecting the shimmer to, you know, like really pop, but they don't pop that much. And I don't know, that's a little bit of a letdown, because I don't know, they're almost ashy in a way, and I'm just a little bit disappointed. If not, I do think it's an okay palette. I think that I will be able to create a lot of looks from it if I was feeling like, you know, dipping back into my creative bag. Like there are enough colors in these two eyeshadow palettes for me to do so many. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm disappointed with the shimmery shades, and other than that, I think the mattes are pretty good. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about the eyeshadows. Speaking on the curved case, I think this is pretty nice, and you have like a lot of choices for like blush and even contour. And the funny thing is, it's very blendable. Like, it's easily blendable. It just blends into your skin very quickly, almost so that if you over blend it, I feel like it would just kind of go away. So, you know, that's definitely something you can look out for. I do think it's nice. I'm gonna have to watch a bit more videos to see how other people use it, just so I use it to like its full potential. But yeah, I don't know, I think I'm just slightly let down, because last night I was so excited and it seemed like they were working really well. But I'm thinking maybe, especially with the eyeshadows, I think it was because I was playing with like different sets of colors. But yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna keep using them and see if like I feel any differently about them as time goes on. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is basically the end of today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and this review helpful as well. Let me know in the comment section if you have any Made by Mitchell eyeshadow palettes. How do you feel about them? Would you be getting any in the future? Let's talk. But yes, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.